Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka court admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
U Menteri Rangba Kejala, u Konrad Ki Sangma, haka khandai tarik u jemang ahrajar arpsan. U lapan benapat ba, baladab ban mang sauklur tingka, lingba ka CM Asia Scheme, na kabenta ka Ribhoi District, ban Kyntiew ya kayo kakot, ki Nongrep hatem Ribhoi. U Konrad Ki Sangma, u lapan benaya kani, haba pelajpat ba, hadu 6,000 nyospa metrik ton usensar, ban penyayo da kesorkar, haka jialang kebalalong, ha basuba, Broom's Producer Company Limited, kabadon haka syenong kli umstem, kabahap ha Mauhati Constituency, Ribhoi District. Ukon rasang maulay tu baya ka sispa klur tingka kabalamang tang hagini ki kendiat banai ladap ban pelat hadu sipau klur bad na ka sipau klur lamang hadu sau klur tingka tang na kabenta ki Nongrep ka Ribhoi District. Ha kani kasingi o Menteri Rangba ula ay tiru ya ka kali pick up siya ki Nongrep ki balayo jingmentoy na ka CM Elevate kabala saki lang du MLA jong ka Mauhati Constituency uba Charles Marngar. U Deputy Commissioner Jong ka Ribhoi, u Abhilash Baranwal, ki Officer na Katanat Agriculture, bat ki Pad Nongrep na Katem Ribhoi.
Tidak kisien ki mau benar, kidang dan sahadu mentah.
Kani ke CM Asia Scheme, kade ke scheme jong ke sorkar jela, ke bapenjai iyo ya ki marrep jong pi ki bompuot, ha kani ke jela jengi, idon tang artli ki marrep ki bahap ha kani kita kidai usensar bat ukuai. Dai na kani ke scheme, ke ba ke sorkar kalau bu ya ke do ke babiang, ke bala banyarap ya ke kamai ke ji jong pi, ya ke jing siu pisa. Ya kabaka sorkar kan tiet ya umi usensar kadai lengpa kata ka direct benefit transfer kamut ba kapisa habaka sorkar kala tiet kan lek baik direct syaka account jong ki Nongrep omla ban yo manu yak ni kapisa hendrei kan dai baik kita kabawan na po ka account ke jong fi ya kan ni ke scheme la penrekam lengba kata ka Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board Hisian ba yo sensar jong pi ladi lingba ki aggregators jong pi unwan bait chopok Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board kajing ye kajing kya kajing shon jong pi Nongrep menta ya kani kan kitno da ka board da ka pathiet ye usensar jong pi kata kamut ha grade A sanpusan tengka shikilo grade B south tengka shikilo but group C life ho tingka kilo but way in lani ka way kan Nongrep kala ban yo bandi haduk praspa kilo kata kalong daka grup E ulak ban poi sya kasau pusau haja tengka. Kadai gani ka skim ka ban Kyntiew ya ka yok ka kwat jongpi kumru ka jingkermen ya Nongrep.
Aba usansar uba bit uba biang uba paka ba ngiji sayo ngiyo ya ka dor ka basau ko tengka. Tenrei lengba jong ka CM Asho Scheme ngila bandi yo sansar jongi hakador ka basan pusan. Tegananga kalalong ka jirap ka bakraw yung ikum Nongrep. Tenrei ka ay ka bangadon ban penpau lang ba jong ka por. Bad nga scam nagaleng jong piki para Nongrep ro. Pia menjuri ya kata bat pia tip khamba ma piru kumbanga tip lane kumbanga mat jinge mga nagalang jong piki para Nongrep ru pi mat jinge ya kaju namar ba ya kane ka dor ka bala persyang man yarap daga sarkar jongi ka pamanta lane da chief minister badon burom jinge habide bat kane ka Asho Scheme kampat long ka babiang ladangi kheng ya ka jinglot jingsep jongi hakaba ni trai ni rep ni yang komno ban penyo yo sensang.
While we are grateful for the support under CM Asho, I suggest that we develop dedicated marketing channels for finished agricultural products. This could significantly boost the income of our farmers and improve the rural economy. That is suggestion number 1, sir. And suggestion number 2, support for ginger cultivation, sir. While broomstick is a major product, I would also urge you, sir, to consider initiative for ginger farmers. Ribhoi is one of the top ginger producer and sir, I hope through your support, this sector too can thrive and contribute immensely to the state economy. For your kind information, sir, I would like to bring to your kind attention that here in village, Kyntiew village, we have a registered Broom producing company known as Basuba Producer Company Limited, sir. It's nearby only, sir. This company, sir, is working in partnership with the Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board and has been playing a vital role in supporting local farmers and promoting broomstick production in our area. However, at present, sir, they have only one small godown with a storage capacity of just 100 tons of broom grass. This limited space is a major constraint as production and demand continue to grow. Therefore, sir, I humbly request your kind support for the construction of larger storage facility with at least 1,000 ton capacity, which will greatly benefit the company and the farming community as a whole. Sir, I would also like to take this opportunity to request you in building a warehouse along the Mauhati Road, sir, which would greatly benefit to our farmers. This facility would enable them to properly store broom, grass, and ginger, sir. These are the two of the major agricultural products in my constituency, sir. Such a warehouse would not only reduce post-harvest losses, but also help the farmers to get better market value by allowing them to store their produce and sell it at the right time. So one thing I truly admire about you is your ability to stay focused on development despite criticism. Iway na kinongkren manta ilaong. Bagi kinongrep ngimpat ju ikendu yo chief minister kumbai kendu yo chief minister manta. Kadai gijing shisha. Tinamar katang isko kemen ban nasode ban ai kublay yo chief minister. Hapadeng gijing sha kan tho ko jong ju sngap ju riat. Usngap jar ban utrai lagakam. Nakam dagane ngagerpat ipi bapin sobaha ban ai gijing thapti ke bajam nam tau chief minister ju. I know, sir, you are a leader of action, not just word. I know how tirelessly you work, often at the expense of your own rest. Sir, I want to assure you, as a local MLA, of my full cooperation and commitment to work alongside you. We pray that God continues to bless you with strength, wisdom, and good health as you lead us forward.
This government has come forward and taken some very, very difficult decisions, but decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, whether you talk of the aroma mission, the mushroom mission, and many, many more mission mode programs, gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner. Whether it was introduction of technology to ensure that the different produces that our farmers produced would get a better price. You look at the processing units that we have given for turmeric processing, the processing units we have given for jackfruit processing, and very recently, a product that the Honorable MLA has been talking about for ginger processing right here in Ribhoi district, where a 23 crore rupee ginger processing plant will be inaugurated in a few months from now. Work is going on. With a capacity of almost 4,000 metric tons of production. And it will help the farmers all throughout this region. And like that, many, many more processing units will be sanctioned by us. And the beauty of all of these processing plants which we are supporting is that this is not owned by the government. We fund it, we give the money, we give the equipments, and we hand it over to the farmers, to the cooperative societies, to the people to run. So there's been a lot of technology inputs, a lot of improvement in overall packaging of our products, so on and so forth. Whether it's important policy matters that needed to be done. We created the Directorate for Food Processing, realizing that there's a very important gap that needs to be filled. We took the decision, we went ahead with the creation of a directorate. Whether it was programs like CM Assure, a policy decision had to be made. We realized that our farmers were suffering during the lean period where prices were dropping, lean in terms of demand. And we had to make a tough decision of how we would intervene. And we committed 100 crores for CM Assure today. And I'm happy to tell you that within a matter of months, we have already released 10 crores. And out of the 10 crores, 4 crores is only for Ribhoi district alone. And thousands of farmers have benefited from this. I know you still have a lot more challenges. But this is only to show you that we are there with you and we care about you. We will work together. Challenges in life will always be there. But as long as we are there for each other, as long as we support each other, we work together as a team, there is no challenge that we cannot overcome. And this is the important message that I would like to give to you. That we are not saying that we can solve every problem. But whenever the challenges are there, you will never find yourself alone. But Charles will be there, Conrad will be there, all our officials and the entire government machinery will do its best to always support each and every one of you through those difficult times. Through CM Elevate, another very, very innovative program and a policy we came out. The gap in the market where we had problems for transportation, hundreds of such vehicles today are plying on the road. Hundreds. I hope that one day we'll reach 1,000. And these are all for you, owned by you, run by you. I'm happy today that we are flagging off 3 or 4 of them, and many, many more in the days to come. Another very important gap in the market which we realized is exactly what Honorable MLA was mentioning. The gap of logistics hub, storage space. And to fill up that gap, I want to share with the Honorable MLA and with all of you that CM Elevate is not only for vehicles. CM Elevate is a very broad program. And the idea is to support entrepreneurs, communities, societies, to be able to fund them so that they are able to reduce the gap and the challenges that they have. So apart from vehicles, you'll be happy to know that we are also funding storage spaces under CM Elevate. There is a 75-25% share, which means 75% will be paid by CM Elevate and 25% by either the society itself or any other source of funding. So I will put back the challenge to the Honorable MLA that I will give the 75% and maybe he can give from his MLA scheme the rest of the 25%. And we will build it together. Not just for this group and this society, but for all. I also believe that having this logistics hub, having storage, and also I would like to add that why not we start actually producing the brooms out here. So I would be happy to give the machines also, train the youth to not just store the grass, but produce the final product also. So if you are keen, and if our team and our farmers are keen for that, let me give you an assurance that I will give that also. We have now more or less laid a structure in our agriculture sector. Different organizations, FPOs, self-help groups, cooperative societies have been formed. Farmers are being supported with seeds, with working capital, with processing units, with transportation, with CM Assure market intervention programs, so on and so forth. But the real transformation will only come with scale. Unless we are not able to do programs and projects at large scale, we will not be able to make the difference that we would like to. So we are doing things, we're doing many small things, which is good. But to have that big impact, we need to go for scale. We are processing 4,000 metric tons of ginger through this unit. This should be 40,000 in the days to come, or 4 lakh metric ton in the days to come. Till we are not able to achieve that scale, we will not be able to touch the national and international market, and will not be able to really transform the lives of our farmers. Why I saying this, especially to the youngsters, is because entrepreneurship is crucial. Entrepreneurs will have to lead this. Business will have to lead this. Some of you will have to take that initiative, take that risk. Government will be there with you to support you. But I cannot pull your hand and push you and take you all the way. You have to make that beginning. And therefore I urge not just people who are present out here, other entrepreneurs also, start to think big. Start to take big risks. Calculated big risks. Otherwise, we will still remain in this momentum. So I urge once again to entrepreneurs to work with our cooperative societies, to work with our self-help groups, to work with our farmers and scale up what they are doing already and multiply the overall impact so that we are able to take things to the next level. Thank the Warehousing Corporation for having partnered with us to take this forward, and I hope for bigger partnership in the days to come. I also would like to urge all our officials who are working at the grassroots level, you are the most important link for the farmers and the government. And hence it is absolutely crucial that all of you will take that extra initiative to ensure that you reach out to every single farmer who is affected, bring them in the list so that we can support them and help them. Without that, the CM Assure program will not be a successful program. So once again, I thank all the officials who have done a great job in making this program a possibility. I thank our farmers for believing in us and trusting in us. Let me assure you that we will continue to always support. I know politics is always very complicated, but I always tell my fellow MLAs, my fellow ministers, always, that for us, Every single citizen is our person. Whether they support us or they don't support us. I'm not Chief Minister only of NPP. I'm Chief Minister of every single citizen of this state. And therefore, I always ensure that we work in a free, fair, equitable, and just manner. And let me assure you that we'll continue to do that. We'll work together. We will move forward together. And we will face the challenges that come ahead together and take things forward together.